By utilizing this secret method, people from all corners of the world have the potential to make up to $200 to $400 plus daily. Thanks for watching this video. You're in luck because you are one of the few people who get to learn about this secret strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free demo and earn double the money faster with some exclusive bonus tips. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you pay attention until the very end. But first of all, go to pexels.com and then we'll begin the video. On this website, you can search for different photos and other pictures that you can download for free. Now, I want you to enter the keyword black and white photos into your web search. Look at all these black and white images that are displayed. This is also a great opportunity for us to use all of these black and white images to earn money online by visiting colorize.sg. This website allows users to colorize their black and white images, which we could then sell. This free website can help you make money online by converting your black and white photos into colored images. Just upload your black and white photos below this page, and the site will generate color pictures similar to the one shown here. These converted photos can be sold for prices ranging from $10 to $40. On this website, I'll show you how to do something for free that can make you money. I'm going to click this button to upload a photo onto the website. Just so you know, you can do this on a mobile phone too. Now that I've selected one of these photos, I'll use this black and white one for example. I'm going to click on it here and begin uploading it onto the Colorize website. Within this free online tool, you can turn any black and white image into color. By clicking and dragging this bar from right to left, you can watch the image turn from black and white into color. On this website, anyone can do this for free of charge and without any experience, simply by uploading a photo with one click. To save your results, just click on the red button below. As you can see, I'm in the process of downloading this photo to my computer. If you want, you could do the same thing on your phone. So, I clicked on this image to show you what happens when it's successfully converted from black and white to color. And best of all, it's free. You don't have to pay anything or create an account. This is definitely a great opportunity for anyone who wants to take advantage of it. Here's another example. If you would like to colorize the second picture, simply click on this button to select a new image. Then come back to this page and scroll down. Click I'm Not a Robot and choose another photo. In this example, I selected a dark photo and clicked on it. The website only took a few seconds to upload the black and white image and turn it into something colorful. After you follow the steps above, just download this image. You can colorize it if you want, but keep watching the video because I'll show you how to make more money online with this website and service. There's a second opportunity that I'll demonstrate too. This website, remove.bg, allows you to erase a photo's background automatically and for free. For example, this is one of your original photos of a female with trees in the background. By using the software and website, you can easily remove the background from this photo so that only the woman and man are visible. Use this opportunity to quickly and easily remove any image background. Simply click the blue button. For example, I uploaded this original photo with a girl in front of a wall. In less than 5 seconds, remove.bg removed the backdrop so that only the girl remained visible. Therefore, simply click on the blue download button and you can start downloading this without even registering and spending any money on the website. Just to give you one brief example, when I click on an image that I just downloaded, this service can make up to $10, $20, or even $40 each time you remove the background. You can follow along with this on your computer or phone. If you are enjoying the video so far, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's get back to the video. I'm going to show you a couple of websites where you can use those services to make some money now. The first website is Fiverr.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, type colorized images into the search bar and click enter or search. After clicking this, you'll be taken to a page where you can check for other sellers of the same service all over the world. Scrolling down, as an example, we see people are colorizing black and white photos, turning them from dull grayscale into a colorful image. I believe the starting cost for that is $10, and as you can see here, 42 reviews has been left by happy customers. As you can see in the example, many people are making money by adding color to black and white photographs. You can do the same thing by using the colorized website that I just showed you. For instance, let's assume that this seller is offering to color your images professionally. By simply converting black and white photos to color, he's able to sell them for $40 each. These prices may seem expensive, but let's say that hypothetical 560 buyers pay him $30 per photo. In this case, he would still be making a profit of $16,800. Not bad for coloring pictures on a free website. The standard package is $40, but there's also a premium option for $60. This picture seller is new to the game and only at level 1, meaning they just started. Although he or she may be inexperienced, that doesn't stop them from helping others successfully turn black and white photos into colorized masterpieces. All while only charging $10 per project. In fact, this service has already gained 614 positive reviews from happy customers. With only 614 people paying $10 each, he was able to generate $6,000. I want to show how easy it is to make money online if you know what you're doing. So all you need to do in order to create a free Fiverr account and start selling is clicking the Become a Seller button at the top page. To create a free account on peopleperhour.com, simply click on the green button and enter your email address. Once you've done that, press the Continue button and you'll be all set. This website offers more opportunities than the last one, so feel free to take advantage of that. To search for what you need, just click on this search icon right here and then select Search Offer. As you can see, there are tons of people offering plenty of services. Type in the keyword background removal and click the search button. You'll see that there are individuals providing background removal services for up to $40 simply by removing a background. That's exactly what we can do using the remove.bg website. With just a few clicks and in less than 10 seconds, you can be like the sellers making money off this opportunity by removing backgrounds from photos. That's what I did at the beginning of the video. You see, all these people below are making good money. Some make $10, some $20, others even upwards of $50 or $50 per photo they edit. So if you're just starting out, charge around $10 per background removal job and you'll still make plenty of sales. Here's an example of a background removal service that a freelancer is offering. It costs $45 to remove the backgrounds from 100 images, which might seem a lot at first glance. But as you can see, it only takes a few seconds and requires no prior skill. That's the opportunity I want to share with you so that together we can start earning money online. You can sign up for a free account on peopleperhour.com by clicking the freelancer button near the top of the page. When you arrive on their site, make sure to select I want to work as a freelancer. Click the button below to create a free account. Use this website with colorize.sg, remove.bg, and peopleperhour.com to make some money. Like what you see? Make sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video!